Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I did another nail tutorial. This one is perfect for spring and Easter. I decided to do some encapsulated nails with the different color reflex, and I thought it was just so cute, you guys. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that I did was go ahead and clean around my cuticle, and I like to use this nail bit. It works really good, nice and gentle, but still gets my cuticles nice and clean. And make sure when you're doing this step, you guys, you're not doing it too hard, because your nails are super delicate. Now we're gonna buff away the shiny layer on the top of our nail. Be very gentle. Now we're gonna go into putting on our tips. I'm using clear tips today, and you just want to measure out the ones that fit your nail. Go in with your nail glue and just apply your tips. Really simple, self-explanatory. I definitely prefer using tips. I'm gonna give formers one more try, but tips for me seems like the way to go. It's the easiest to do because I'm doing it on myself. So now I'm just gonna cut these down, and today I wanted my nails long, okay? I'm usually kind of like a medium length nail person, but I wanted long nails for this. And now we're just gonna blend in our tip with our natural nail. Now, honestly, I really don't know why I do this step. I only do this because my amazing nail tech that I used to go to did this. And I think it's to just make everything look more natural. I don't know. All you licensed nail techs, let me know in the comment section below, what is this step for? So now we're just gonna go ahead and file our nails. I'm getting my shape in order. I kind of like a taper square. That's kind of like a narrow square. Love this shape. It looks really good on my hands. So I'm just perfecting my shape, really simple. And now we're gonna go in with our primer. Do not skip this step. This really helps your just nails last longer and keeps them from lifting. Now we're gonna go in with our UV Bonder, and I like doing this step because this helps the polygel kind of adhere to your nails and they don't lift as easily, and you wanna cure that for about 20 to 30 seconds. So now we're gonna go into some alcohol. This is gonna be my dipping solution. It works really good with polygels and builder gels and things like that. So I'm doing a very thin coat of the builder gel on my nails first, and I'm doing this just so I can have like a base and something sticky to apply the little reflex to. Okay, so now I'm using all these pretty reflex colors. I'm gonna have these linked in the description bar below, so make sure you guys check them out if you like them. And I'm basically just going in with random colors. I think I started with yellow, and I'm just gonna apply this on the clear portion of the nail and kind of like blend it up a little bit. And I thought this would be really pretty for Easter time. I never wear like colorful nails or anything like that, so I thought this was really fun for me and very cute. And it's really simple. You just place the reflex on top, and because I do have that hard gel down, they stick to that, so it makes the application really easy. So don't skip this step, or trying to apply these is like, it's a nightmare. So this made it really easy. So once you're done applying all your little reflex, you want to actually cure this for about, you can do about 35 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my polygel, and I'm using the clear color. And basically you want to use a nice size bead, because as you guys can see, I have a very long nail. And to avoid doing this process twice, you want to take a really nice large bead and dip it in that alcohol and just work the bead out. I like to pull it down to the tip a little bit, then alternate to the front. I really don't have a super set method on how I do this. I just kind of like blend it until the tip looks nice and my apex is nice and rounded, and then I kind of just finish it up around the cuticle. I really don't have a set method to exactly how I do it. I just work it around until it looks right, to be honest. Like, that's how I do it, and this is how I just push the cuticle up in place. But this polygel makes it so simple for me to get my nails like the right shape. It's so much easier to use than acrylic. But I think I'm gonna do my next set with acrylic, because I want to master acrylics before I master polygels. You want to go ahead and cure that for, I think I cured it for a minute or maybe 2 minutes because I wanted it to be nice and dry. And now I'm going to file it again and get my nice tapered square shape. And, you know, filing, that gets easier with practice as well. I'm still learning, but I think I got this shape kind of down packed. But I'm still learning, but I think I'm doing really good. The shape looks really nice and clean and pretty professional, if I must say. It looks really, really good. I'm so proud of myself doing my own nails. And now I'm going to go in and just smooth the nails, making sure everything is nice and smooth, no lumps, no bumps. And one thing about Polygel I will have to say is that it files really easy, like, because it's not as hard, I feel like, as acrylics or something. So it smooths out good. And now we're just going to clean up around the cuticle. I'm going to go in and buff my nails out. Make sure you don't skip this step or your nails will kind of be like sharp in certain places. So I never skip buffing. Now we're going to use a top coat. And this is where the magic happens. You guys, after you put on the top coat and the reflex pop through, it looks so pretty. I'm definitely going to be having these style of nails a lot because it's like, you can make so many cool effects with it, and I have so many ideas in my mind. So this is how it looks after I put the top coat on, and I'm going to go ahead and cure this for additional 35 seconds. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil, and you guys, the nails just come out so pretty. Like, they look so cool. I've been getting so many compliments on my nails, and I've had this set on now for over a week. And you guys, everybody loves my nails. They just look so pretty and so colorful. Like, these type of nails are eye catchers. Like, so don't do your nails like this if you don't want a lot of attention, because everybody's gonna notice them and you're gonna get a lot of compliments because it's so cute. And now I'm going to show you how they look without my studio light on, because I don't know why it's hard to catch all the reflect goodness. So I cut the lights down just so you guys can see it. It's so, like, in real life, you guys, it looks way better than it looks on camera. I still don't know how to capture everything to look totally how it looks in real life, so I kind of have to cut down the light. But they're so pretty. I love my nails so much. If you guys are loving my nail videos, please don't forget to thumb this video up, comment, and subscribe. And thank you again for watching this. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.